Hey Rachel, it's Rick. I just wanted to record this video here real quick for you. I got your email. Sorry for the late reply, but I just want to go ahead and just answer that question for you. So I found this video over at Jace Academy, and this is just called Installing VirtualBox in OS 10. And if you drop all the way down to 2 minutes and 32 seconds,
which is the
you'll see here that we go ahead and talk about how host-only adapters work, how to NAT network drivers work within VirtualBox. But I got your email, and the UI for VirtualBox has changed a little bit from since I recorded this video back in 2017. So I'm just going to show you here how VirtualBox looks on a machine and show you how to get it done. But it's pretty much the same process. It just changed the icons. But you pretty much find the virtual machine that you want to go ahead and get the host-only adapter for. So here's the virtual machine that I have. This one's called Ubuntu Box. Click on Settings, head over to Network, click on Network 2. You'll see here I have a host-only adapter, VirtualBox.net 0. Now this is where you're seeing this, and it's showing that there isn't one available. In VirtualBox 5.2.x series, they moved around the menus a little bit, and the host-only adapter is actually located in the File menu now instead of going to the Preferences. So if you go over to File and you click on Host Network Manager or Command W, it'll open up this window here. And as you can see here, here's that VirtualBox.net one, the one that I had. And if you double click it, it will show you the IP address, the network mask, all that fun stuff there. So you can go ahead and just copy those settings over. Make sure on DHCP that's disabled, and you'll be able to do this part here. And simply, you're not going to have the VirtualBox.net 0 because you haven't created it. So you just pretty much click create, and there it goes ahead and creates another one. And make sure you just copy over these settings, and you'll be good to go there. So I'm going to remove that one because I don't need two of them. I just need one of them, and there you go. So again, to get to that menu, you just simply go to File, Host Network Manager, Command W, and you'll get there. You'll be able to remove, add them, and be able to actually set them up. So once you do that, you go back into Settings, go over to Network, and then Adapter, and then you'll see the drop down here. It's a little bit tricky. They just move the menus around, but it's there. Again, File, Host Network Manager. Hopefully that helps you, Rachel, and I'll talk to you soon.